Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to transpose data in Excel. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So what is a transpose data option? So basically, let's suppose if you want to basically transpose this column here. Okay, so if you transpose this column here, basically now you can see that we have like one column here and 6 rows, and values are 6. Okay, so when you transpose this, basically it will basically create 6 rows and 6 columns for us, and it will basically fit these values in those rows and columns. So how you can do this? First of all, you will select the column here, and then you will basically from your keyboard you will press Ctrl plus C to copy this. Okay, so press Ctrl plus C, and then let's suppose if I want to transpose this into this F column here, so I will select this F here, right click and go into this paste special option, click on this one, and here at the end basically you can see this transpose option. Just click on this one and then okay, and right now here you can see that it has created 6 rows and also 6 columns as well. Okay, so that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.